How to change your name on the Facebook mobile app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In this guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually change your name from the Facebook mobile application. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now, changing the Facebook name from our mobile application is also fairly simple. First of all, make sure that you have updated the Facebook app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your device's respective app stores, in the search box typing in Facebook, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Facebook app, all I want you to do is just simply go over and then open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. If you want to actually go ahead and then change the name on your Facebook app, then what you have to do is tap on the menu icon to come to our menu page and scroll down to the bottom, select settings and privacy, and on the list of these options, just go ahead and then select settings again. Once you select settings, you'll see all the sorts of various options. Just go to the one that says personal information. As you go to personal information, at the very top you can see the general option, and you can also see name. So all you have to do is tap on the name button, and this is exactly where we want to change our name on Facebook. So as you can see, it says first name, your middle name, and your surname. So just go ahead and enter your changes. Once you've done that, if you read over there, and a little disclaimer says that if you change your name on Facebook, you cannot change it again for 60 days. Don't add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, characters, or random words. So just go ahead and review this change if you want. So I'll just recommend you also to be very careful on this one, as it says us that it will not be able to change it again for the next 60 days. So just tap on the review change button, and that is simply how you can actually change the name on the Facebook mobile application. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, and doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.